The information reaching us for this video, what we go show you right now, is that the Nigerian army have left another checking point because of unknown gunmen. I want you to watch the video. My people, things dey happen. The national elders don come outside o, come talk say that the north are richer than all states for inside Nigeria, because as e be like this, even though they say regional government, the north are not going to suffer. That is the fact the north have to accept. I will play you the video. My people, as we dey talk right now, they say katakata dey o. The information wey dey reach us right now as we dey talk, they say that some cow na be malu wey dey carry dem come for inside southeast. Some of them go waka small, they go kpai for road. Na be say e get something wey dey put for their body, so they quickly sell am. Anybody wey chop am, that person go kpai put o. Abeg, if you be person wey love to eat cow meat, my people, go today o, chicken dey o. I no know wetin e dey for inside o. May you be very very careful if you dey inside southeast. I'm going to play the videos, may you watch and see wetin dey happen as e dey read. The first, I'm going to play you the video of this checking point where the Nigerian army don leave Kawa because of the fear of unknown gunmen. I'll play the video, then we'll come back and continue.
Ebe a ndị zu army nọ ma n'ụzọ na-aga Obolafọ ịrapụ Ihaka Junction, so esigo ebe a wee wapụ, anọrọzi ebe a agbapụgo, esigo ebe a wee wara ọsọ. Ị na-anyị ga-afụ na onwerezi ihe dị ebe a. Ọ ịrapụ Ihaka Junction, ị na-aga Trailer Park Obolafọ, ị ga-afụ ka ebe niile si wee dị kịta. Anọrọzi otu a ka o si dị. Ebe nke a ebe ọzọ, another checkpoint nke nọ na Ọba Boys, ebe ndị na command checkpoint Ọba awago, ndị agha awatogo.
Okay, my wonderful people, as this one dey happen o, na be the checking point where they don leave Japa. I go show you another thing where they happen as we dey talk now. They say some car wey they carry come for inside southeast now. Be careful of wetin you dey eat. I'll play the video, may you watch.
Yani ha eshingunu ya send le ya hen ga wosa send ayi wa ga slaughter na monitor and now obo look at their sandboard. You got one the sandboard. Obi otoke je tobo nda wosa gbala nama ogwu ojo maka ndị lige nama ha oge ka asepa anọ na stress. Very soon we go to another place ngakwa and now obo he wo nama le ya ogwu ojo nda bari ya oto he sha lo chi he wa di da lo ya ni ile ma anyị ga anwụ oto oje tobo ọ ga anwụ anwụ aga bịa gbuo ya send ya ara ndị mmadụ ha na-eri a na-anwụchi. Have information onye nwunye ya pasara ibie send ya le gotoke di tobo ilekwe ke no kwa n'anya na ị ga-ahụ na adịkwa ya onwe ikili ke jara jaru agala je phone na ma ndị ahụ ile send bụba asebe onye ọbụla dị very careful. Onye send ya no picture from fawo anu no work to see no one hem na ahụ na obo we can answer obo you saw wash the major proof for the with evidence. Look at the hair will help in the obo help then get with some of the number there jari. Look at my machine now, machine munji na stress na aka nwa you onye ọbụla na-eri anụ be very careful na ma ọbụla na-eme make sure say no ga egbuo ya for your life. Ndewo ni Mbise Ezinite Nigeria Imo State ka ọ mara anyị ma n'aha Jizọs anyị agaghị ọnwụ ike. Anọ m na slọta na-eme ihe ndị a niile. Achọrọ m ndị nọ na slọta ọsọ hacha niile agbapụsị ile anya bụ ga ahụ anybody lee ya ha ewe obe owu ka m nọ lee anya gburugburu lee ya tọdị na amaja akpabike lee ya na mọnwụ ha ọghọrọ ekekmake the same thing mọnwụ ha aghọrọ loko ka abịa na ahụ ha ama m ego ole ndị a na-enye ndị a na ha gwara mmadụ ewere m ego na ọwụ ya ga-emepe ha gbapụsị sisi ha dị ike mụbele ha ndị ewelekwa ele dị na ma gọwata m ọnwụ ya ndị ewone ọnụnụ karịa ibi onye ntị gburu ọbụ mmadụ mere ya ndị ewone ka m ọnwụ ha ọgụwa ha.
My people, shebi you don watch am with your korokoro eyes, make you see wetin dey happen for inside southeast as we dey talk. I will play this video make you watch and hear wetin this Hausa man or Fulani man talk say the north are richer than most of the states wey dey for inside southeast. I want you to watch this video and hear wetin he talk. Do you know that the northern Nigeria has gold and other mineral resources in their land, which is they are not even mining them the way they are mining oil in Delta and other part of Nigeria? Watch this video.
In the north, if I am the president or if I'm the governor in any state, we are richer than the south.
In what sense?
Many ways. Three things. The north, agriculture, if we concentrate on three things: agriculture, solid minerals, and solar, we'll be done. All the water, all the hydroelectric power stations are in the north. Mambila. The northeast is complaining there's no power. When
Mambila nothing is happening.
Yeah.
There are a lot of lamentation.
Yeah, who was there before? If we had developed Mambila, we wouldn't be in this mess. The north is richer than the south. We need agriculture.
Untapped deposits.
Absolutely. We have the land for agriculture. We can feed not only Nigeria, but the whole of West Africa. Secure our people, let them go back to the farm. Number two, and do not abandon agriculture and go and run after this oil that is fluctuating all over the place. Solid minerals, we have it all. Why is the fight in Zamfara and all over this northwestern state? Because of gold.
Largely.
Yeah, a lot of it. And then previously in the last government, the National Security Advisor will come and say, oh, mining has been banned, no fly zone, no follow-up. Thirdly, and people should ask, where has been the gold of Zamfara? Where is the gold? We have the sun. We can power not only the region, but we can power the whole of the country. But all the governors largely, I mean, look, we look at the president more than we look at the governors. To be honest with you, largely 80% of our problems are the governors. Corruption and bad governance, I've said it again and again and again and again. We've had leaders in this country that we have benefited from. And all of these governors, all of these ministers have benefited from the good governance of our leaders past. All of them.
In the First and Second Republic.
Absolutely. They were good custodians of that which they were entrusted with.
What went wrong? Where did we start to get it wrong?
They were good custodians. They trained us. They did not accumulate. But now everybody else, the governor wants to not only accumulate, but leaves the state treasury empty. Not only that, indebted. So the primary thing is corruption and bad governance. Corruption and bad governance. It's everywhere. It's only more pronounced here because of the insecurity. It's going to bite us. And I've been saying it again and again, again and again. How many governors, how many ministers, how many service chiefs can retire and go back home and stay? Like those leaders of our time used to do. They used to go back home and stay with their people. Shagari went back home and stayed with his people. How many of these governors, these service chiefs, these ministers will go back home, ancestral home? All IDPs in Abuja because of bad governance.